If you love solving problems and building software that makes technology work better, this program is for you. The computer programming program trains you to create applications, websites, and systems that power the digital world. You will build strong programming fundamentals and develop in-demand skill in software development, database management, web technologies, and mobile app development. You will work with industry standard tools and code in multiple languages, tackling real-world projects along the way. Graduates from this program are ready to step into roles like software developer, application programmer, QA tester, and many other roles. You could work in finance, healthcare, gaming, e-commerce, or anywhere that needs a smart, practical software solution. If you are ready to code the future, this is where you start. Build the skills, build the software, build your career.